Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the animation effects on your Windows 11. So you can go to the settings, and this is the animation effect is enabled. As you can see, there is a smooth motion when you try to minimize and maximize. You can try to disable it. If you don't comfortable with this animation, you can click on accessibility and click on visual effects. Here there is animation effect that you can turn off. The difference is, as you can see, there is no animation, just quick action here. So if you're comfortable with these settings, feel free to try to turn off animation effects on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the X button below. See you in the next video.